Vaishali Ajbale, and today's date is 15 January 2024, and today our topic is why Java is platform independent. So as we know, Java is class-based object-oriented programming language, and Java has many features such as it is simple language. Why Java is simple language? So the syntax of the Java language is similar to the C and C++ language. Then it support multi-threading because multi-threading means multiple threads run simultaneously. Then exception handling. The Java can be handles the exception. Then Java is portable language. Then our topic is why Java is the main feature of the Java is the platform independent language. So why Java is platform independent? In Java we can write program once and run anywhere. Run any operating system such as Mac operating system, then Linux operating system, then Mac, Linux, and Windows operating system. In Java, we can write program once and run anywhere. So because JVM convert the source code bytecode into the machine code. The bytecode is platform independent. So as we know, Java is platform independent language because of the bytecode. This bytecode we can run this bytecode into the any operating system. So the JVM can be convert the bytecode into the machine code. Then Java virtual machine is the platform dependent because Java virtual machine is the path or way to execute the program. Then it contains the Java virtual machine contains the Java virtual machine contains the different core libraries. Then there are three main components of the Java language. First is Java virtual machine. Then second is the Java runtime environment. Then third is the Java development kit. JDK is a software development. JDK is the software development kit used by the software developer to develop the code, to run the code and to compile the code. Then JRE provides the runtime environment to the code, or we can also say it is a software package. Thank you.